you know what I'm completely done with? Instant oatmeal. Uncle Ben, get f***ed. If I have to eat another one of your packets of apple cinnamon oatmeal, I'm throwing myself off of a cliff. It's over. Between bike touring, through hiking, living in a van, or just generally being poor, I've eaten thousands of these packets. The texture, the flavors, they're all the same. They're horrible. And I know you hate them too. Luckily, I have a recipe that I've used to completely replace that in my day-to-day breakfast routine on the trail. It comes in a variety of flavors that you can mix and match and get to essentially whatever flavor profile you want. If you get sick of one flavor, you just switch up the ingredients ever so slightly. It is chia seeds, granola, and the secret ingredient of yogurt powder that you use in lieu of milk powder. It has more calories. It has probiotics for your tum-tum, keep you regular on the trail, and it has a complex variety of amino acids that gives you a very nice protein structure that lasts through the day, gives you tons of energy. Real simple. I'm just going to run you through the mix. It's also really good if you are a cold soaker because you don't need a stove to do this recipe at all. It is actually cold. Makes it simple. I, on the other hand, am a coffee addict, so I have to bring a stove with me. I'm going to link above the 5 ways that I like to do coffee in the backcountry. Check that out if you are also a fiend for coffee. So let's get into the mix. There you have it. That is my recipe. It is very simple. 3 ingredients, mix them all together. You want to get more complex with this, you can add in some dates, some other dried fruit, seeds, nuts, any type of granola that you want. Throw a little cocoa powder in there. You can get super creative with this recipe, mix and match. But essentially, I really love that yogurt powder because it is a much nicer flavor than powdered milk, because powdered milk is gross. It tastes terrible. Nobody likes it. We're not even a fan of it. I know you're not. I'm definitely not. You can get these berry flavored yogurt powders instead, which is really good. So simple, elegant, delicious. Check it out. Leave me a comment below of what you like to eat for breakfast. And even if you're a cold soaker, if you're one of those people, this works for you. Thanks for checking it out.